In this video, you'll learn a simple and effective method for engraving wood using RDWorks V8. First, open RDWorks V8 on your computer. Make sure your laser machine is powered on and properly connected via USB or Ethernet. Next, click on the text tool located in the left toolbar. Once the text settings window opens, choose your preferred font style from the list. After selecting your font, type your desired text into the text box, and then click OK to place the text onto your workspace. Once the text appears on the workspace, resize it to your desired dimensions. You can adjust the size manually or by entering the exact width and height values in the top toolbar. Then click on Config at the top menu and select System Setting. In the Parameter Setting window, go to the Configuration section and adjust the laser head position. Set the laser head to the center point. This ensures your engraving will be aligned properly based on the center reference. After confirming the settings, click OK or close the window to apply the changes. Next, click on the Layer Settings panel. Set the processing mode to scan for engraving. Then adjust the speed, power settings, and scan interval according to your material. Then click OK. After setting the layer parameters, go to the Laser Work panel. Set the position to Current Position. Finally, once everything is ready and your material is properly placed in the machine, click Start to begin engraving. After preparing the design, measure the wood piece carefully and mark the exact center point using a ruler. This center mark will guide the alignment inside the machine. Place the wood flat on the laser bed, ensuring it is stable and properly focused. Accurate focus is essential for sharp and clean engraving results. Move the laser head to the marked center point on the wood. Once aligned, set this position as the origin. This step ensures the design engraves precisely in the center of the material. Press the Start button on the machine panel. The laser will begin engraving the design. Once the process is complete, remove the wood from the machine. The result should be a clean, evenly engraved design, perfectly centered on the surface.